I'm doing Mazikeen from Sandman. I thought this would be a really cool look, not just because the character is very cool, but I think these techniques I'm using today are also good for characters like Freddie Krueger, for zombie characters, for Two-Face from Batman. It's a very distinct kind of like exposed skin and bone sort of thing going on, so I thought it'd be cool. The first step to covering an eyebrow is Elmer's glue. Next, I'm going to put the Pros-Aide Prosthetic glue over just to keep that eyebrow really glued down. Looking at the makeup closely now, I think my instinct is to put a piece of ball cap over my eye. And next, I'm going to be doing the base for the scar wax. And to use this stuff, I have a little spatula, and then you have to use like a Vaseline so that the product doesn't stick to the spatula. So what I've done right now is kind of just like block out the general area where we see some of the like exposed parts. And now I'm gonna go in and clean them up and add shadow and dimension to them. Layering is super important, building up like the detail. So there are shadows in these areas because they're recessed into the skin. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Like I said, I think that this doubles as a good makeup for a lot of different things, whether it's Two-Face or like a zombie sort of thing or Freddie Krueger. I think this makeup design is really cool. And somehow when you do just half the face, it's not as grotesque. Like I feel like I could walk around like this and people wouldn't be like, you know, totally freaked out. Of course, I'm getting a look from Caleb behind the camera and he's like, no, people would be freaked out. Maybe I'm just desensitized. I'm like, oh, I can still see part of my face. I look good. That's apparently not the truth. So if you want to see me do more spooky looks, be sure to comment what I should do next. See you next time.